Hello guys, namaste to everyone. So recently I've got Insta360 One X2 and actually I forgot to unpack or unbox and take a video out of it. So there is absolutely nothing they give you. They don't give you any mounts with this. They give you a nice cover to keep it in. But it's really good piece and it's quite difficult to edit. The software is time taking, and the lenses obviously protrude out, so you got to be really careful where you put it down. And they gave a cover to this, so this is the cover. So I got this Insta360 motorcycle mount bundle, and so let's unbox it. I didn't find this on Amazon, but I found it on a website called as imastudent.com, and it's also on Tata Click. So this is basically a helmet mount and a handlebar mount and a tail mount, and it's made in China. That's about it. That's what is written on this, but it's an official Insta360 motorcycle mount bundle. So we have the how to use it and how to mount it, and we've got a lot of the most important thing about the mounts is we've got a bunch of stickers, and since see actually Insta360 has a female plug-in or a screw drive or a screw. It is a female, and this is the most important. So other mounts which go for other action cameras, they got to have this screw to put in, and this is how they fit in, and you can like put it anywhere, and but it's still plastic though. So we've got a lot of these. We've got the screws and we've got the clips, and they're quite common, but this is important, you know. These are most important for the Insta360 One. And we have another. This is also this goes for the bike, and I think this is another 1-inch ball mount. So this is how it goes. So it's quite good. I can the feel is good. It's strong. It's molded plastic though, and it's pretty tight, and I don't think there will be a lot of vibrations because this is a very the whole thing about this is the stabilizer, and if you want to maintain the life of the stabilizer, it's very important that you get a good handlebar mount, but you can only use this for certain shots. You cannot use it for the whole while. And this is also a pretty decent this is a metal mount, and that's about it, I guess. So you got to mount these to, this is a helmet mount, but and so basically, yeah, so this is the rear mount. You put it on the sticker and put it to this thing, and you put it on the tail mount, and the handlebar is, this one is the handlebar, and this is the helmet mount. So this was my previous cam mount, and it was quite good, and I could swivel it everywhere, and I could put it anywhere I want. But so last time I put it here, and unfortunately I didn't check the position well. So you really got to see where you're putting the mount. If this is the position on the bar, if you're looking at, and if this is the position you're looking for, you have to really check where you're applying it. But I happened to put it here, but so what happened when I just twisted the handlebar, it broke out. So you got to really see. And also the problem with these mounts is that it actually covers everything in the front, And I've got another mount here which goes to the rear view camera, rear view mirror. I just had to open it, and but even this is good. It's decent for a little bit of vlogging. It has a nice I think it's a 1/2 inch ball here, but I didn't quite like how this fits here. It's a normal mount and tends to be a little shaky. It's a clip. There is a clip. There is a clip here, and just have to. That's about it. But without the cam, the little gap here tends to have a little bit of vibration, and it's not quite comfortable to listen to. So I'm opening the mount. I'm installing it here. Make sure that it doesn't disturb your turning radius, and you got to tighten it really nice. It's quite easy to fix, and once this is done, you put the main extender. Depending on, you can eventually and it has a small spring which helps you to remove the ball. The other side, I'll just show you. You can just remove the ball. Once you loosen the clamp, you just press and the ball is out. As sure, you can take the camera with you, and you can again put it back. You don't need to carry the whole thing, and just tighten the ball which position you want, and tighten it really nice. Don't over tighten it. But this is a good mold, so you can use it where you want and where it fits on your bike. And taking the camera finally, the OnePlus, and easily it's gonna fit in, and you gotta be really careful with this where you're gonna put it. I'm gonna just adjust it so that the screen is on my side. Yeah, the screen is on my side now. I've tightened this good. This is, don't over tighten it so that don't damage the threads. And voila, this is here. So I'm gonna just switch it on now, and the camera is on. So you can swivel it in any direction you want, forward, and even loosen this and put it where you want, like that, and however is what kind of shot you are looking for. So this is me. That's about it. I think this is really good. Let's move on to the next one. And so this is the one here. For example purpose, I'm not gonna put it to the helmet. So you can fix the mount to a sticker, and you can just place it to the sticker. You can open it, unscrew it with the clamps you got, and you can adjust it the way you want. You can adjust it all the way like that, or like that, or like that, or you can turn it around and put it here, and you can adjust it like that. So that's about it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.